Alright guys, how's it going? So, apparently there's some sort of supercar meet at Polish and Glow in the city centre. So we're just going to go and check it out, see if there's any nice cars, and yeah, see how it goes, see what we get. No, can we not just like park anywhere?
There was like cars all out here, but I think it's because we're quite early from it.
We've got a Lamborghini Huracan, Subaru A45 AMG, CBR 600RR, Fireblade MT-07. This is pretty sick. God. No point even trying to compete with that. Here we go. Guy just comes by. It's alright, if there's traffic, I'll catch them. man. I mean, obviously they're quick, but flipping hell, man. Got a bit lost, but I think we've finally found the place again. Oh, they're over there. How did they get in there? Guys, that was some crazy meat, man. I don't know if you can hear from the footage how loud it actually was, but it was just like next level. Anyway, we're just about to leave now, but we're gonna see if we can get a wheelie from the MT-07. Oh god, I think there's so many people in the way, we don't want to take anyone out. That was a sick one, it was so high. Oh my god. God, that was just a crazy night, man. Gonna go for another one. What? That looks so high, man. Yeah, I know you went like that. I did like... No, that's pretty good, man.
You go now, yeah.
Yeah, is it that way that we came from?
Yeah, it's that way, and then you know you're basement there. But yeah, just send me the videos and photos.
Yeah, we'll do one. Alright, safe, man. Are you going that way anyway?
Yeah, I'm going that way.
Alright, go on. That was so good. Oh, that was good, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. I'm going that way. I'll see you later. Anyway, hope you like the footage and stuff. Subscribe if you want to see more. And see you guys in the next one.